In this video, we are going to talk about something called iteration in prompt engineering. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Iteration means asking ChatGPT a bunch of questions until you get the exact information you need. It's like a conversation where you keep asking and refining your questions. Why do we do this? Well, it helps us get better answers when we ask more questions and tweak them along the way. ChatGPT learns about us and gives us more accurate responses. When should you use iteration? It's handy when you have a lot of info but aren't sure how to organize it for the best answers. For example, if you're writing a long blog post, you can break down your questions into smaller parts to get more precise answers. Let's look at an example. Imagine you are a manager trying to improve teamwork. You ask ChatGPT for strategies, but the first response isn't quite what you want. No problem. You can ask more questions to clarify, like, can you give me more details on fostering trust? Or tell me more about setting clear goals. Keep asking and refining until you are satisfied with the answers. So, iteration is like having a conversation to get the best info from ChatGPT. It's a cool way to make sure you are getting exactly what you need. Let's break this down. If you are not happy with the answer you get from ChatGPT or feel like something important is missing, there are two good ways to fix it. First, you can send a new message where you rewrite your question or add the stuff that's missing. There is a smarter way to do it right here in your prompt. See that edit box. You can use that to make your question better. It's like giving your question an upgrade. You can go back and change it to, I'm a tech manager trying to make my team collaborate better. Think about how to add more details to your question. After you fix it up, hit save and submit. You'll see that ChatGPT gives you a way better answer that fits your improved question. This is one way to make your chats better. Another way is to keep the conversation going. Ask more questions and add more info. For example, ask about tools for teamwork if you have a team of 10 people, and then ask how to make your team work together even better. When you change your questions and add more info, you get better answers. It's like fine-tuning your question to get exactly what you need. You can keep asking more questions to get even more info. For ChatGPT, I am writing as a prompt that I am a manager looking to improve my team's collaboration and communication. Can you suggest some strategies to enhance teamwork and create a more productive work environment? If I need more clarification or ideas, I will ask further questions. After writing this, I am clicking this button and you can see ChatGPT now giving me the feedback, writing his answer in very detail. Giving me almost 10 subtitles divided in 10 headings to tell the ChatGPT. So I go back to my first question and want to edit this. So I click here to edit my first question and add a word here that I am a tech manager. So adding a word here, tech, and after manager I am adding here manager of 10 people. And after writing this, I am going to save and submit it. And you see that now ChatGPT gave me the answer accordingly, according to my edited question. So after reading it, I feel that there is a point I need to elaborate further. So there is a topic leverage technology. So I decide to ask further and writing there a new prompt, list top 5 project management software and other tech tools, and click enter. And now you can see that ChatGPT gives me top 5 most suitable software and tools for me. It's very cool.